and your friend can up and take whatever money is in the account.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
You should not add any friends to your account, okay? I don't care if it's a boyfriend, a best friend, a girlfriend, anybody. Reason being is because being friends is not a legally binding arrangement, right? So for instance, I had a good friend, one of my best friends asked me, he was engaged to be married. They were about, a couple months out from their wedding and whatnot. And they're happily married now. So, I'm not making any statement about that at all. Great couple. But he asked me, he said, hey man, we're, trying to plan for the wedding and whatnot. Should we just go ahead and combine our accounts? We're engaged, we're in this thing. We know that we're gonna say I do. And I said, look, you don't want to combine any accounts until you say I do, and everything is legally binding, meaning all the paperwork is signed and whatnot. Being a boyfriend or a roommate or a girlfriend, even fiance, that is not a legally binding arrangement. And your friend can up and take whatever money is in the account. Legally, you can't do anything about that. And so again, I just don't recommend anyone to have any friends, only spouses on the account with you.